Yeah.
We are in the Colchester movie theater. There's no one in here except us. There's sound coming out of here. It's some song I've never heard before, but it's pretty cool, so I think I'm gonna dance to it.
Yay!
This is my giant soda.
Yay!
I bought a size large. It cost me $3.25.
And free refills all day.
Free same day refills.
I always wanted to touch this.
Wait. What's under here?
Let's find out.
Ah, it's a monster! I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
This is the empty movie theater. We're all by ourselves, so we're just chilling. Here, you take the camera.
Okay. Talk about the exit.
There's an exit door right here. In case there's
See?
a fire, a murderer, or some rapist could go out this door. Oh wait, there's no exit. Okay, there's two exits.
Couldn't they just like, couldn't the rapist or murderer just like follow us though? Let's put this on YouTube.
Yay!
Okay. Do we have anything else to say?
No.
This root beer is really good. I think I'm gonna drink it all in like 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna pee, and then I'm gonna get another one. Yay, done.